We have all seen it. You get a WhatsApp notification, you open the app, but the message is gone. All that is left is, this message was deleted. And now you're dying to know what it said. Here's the problem. WhatsApp itself has no inbuilt feature to show you deleted messages. It is a privacy feature for the sender. But your phone has a little secret that can help, and it might already be turned on. Android phones have a hidden notification history feature. It logs every notification your phone gets, including WhatsApp messages and other messages. When a message arrives, even if it's deleted later, the text might still be saved in this history log. Good news, you don't need to download anything. No third-party apps, no computer, no payment. This is a free feature built into your Android phone on version 11 and above. Here is how to enable it. Open your phone settings app. It's usually the gear icon in your app drawer. From there, we are going to look for the notification settings. Next, tap on notifications. Depending on your phone brand, Samsung, Google, OnePlus, Xiaomi, it might be called Apps and Notification or just Notification Center. Look for the word Notifications. Now tap the notification history or advanced settings, then notification history. You'll see a toggle switch. Turn it on. Once it's on, your phone will start logging every notification from the next 24 hours. Now go back into notification history. Scroll down to the time you received that deleted message. You will likely see the original text listed right there, including the sender name, timestamp, and the content you thought was gone. Even if they deleted it, your phone kept the secret. A few important things. This only works for text messages. Deleted photos, videos, and voice notes won't show up here. Also, the feature only saves notification from after you turn it on. So enable it now for future messages. And it only keeps logs for about 24 hours. For iPhone users, there's no notification history feature. But if you back up your charts regularly to iCloud, you can uninstall and reinstall WhatsApp, then restore an older backup from before the message was deleted. Just know you'll lose any new messages after that backup, so use with caution. You'll see plenty of third-party apps claiming to recover deleted WhatsApp messages. Most need notification access, meaning they can read every notification on your phone, including private ones. Stick with the built-in Android method. It is safer and it is free. Don't wait until a message disappears. Go turn on that notification history right now. Save this video so you remember how to find it, and subscribe for more tech secrets WhatsApp doesn't want you to know. Comment receipts if you are enabling this today. Mr. Solution.